Welcome to Word Easy English channel.
Today's story is A Sweet Surprise, Aga's Mother's Day Adventure. It was Mother's Day morning. The sun came through the window and Aga woke up with a big smile. She had been planning something special for her mother. Today was the day to show her love. "Happy Mother's Day, Mama," Aga said softly. She gave her mother a card she made herself. On the card she wrote, "Thank you for caring for me every day. Today is your day." Her mother hugged her, feeling very happy. The first surprise was a trip to a cake shop. Aga had booked a baking class. "We will make tiramisu together," she said proudly. Her mother's eyes shone with joy. Tiramisu was her favorite dessert. At the shop, the smell of coffee and cocoa filled the air. The baker gave them aprons and showed them what to do. Aga and her mother worked side by side. They dipped ladyfingers in coffee, spread cream, and sprinkled cocoa powder. Aga tried very hard to make it neat. Her mother laughed and helped her. "This is fun," her mother said. "The best part is doing it with you." When the cake was ready, they decorated it with chocolate and a heart shape. The baker took a photo of them, smiling with their tiramisu. Aga felt proud. Back home, Aga's father was waiting with a bouquet of roses. "Happy Mother's Day, my love," he said, giving the flowers to his wife. The family sat together and tasted the tiramisu. It was sweet and delicious, just like the moment. But Aga had another surprise. "Tonight," she said, "we will go to a hotel for a special dinner, 4 courses, just for you." Her mother was amazed. "Really? That sounds wonderful." In the evening they dressed nicely and went to the hotel. The restaurant was full of soft lights and music. A waiter led them to a table near the window. Outside, the city lights sparkled. The first course was smoked salmon with lemon cream. Her mother smiled as she tasted it. The second course was Boston lobster warm soup, smooth and comforting. The third course was the main dish. Beef ribeye steak for her father, pan-fried cod fillet for her mother, and carbonara pasta for Aga. They laughed, shared bites, and raised their glasses of juice. Finally, dessert came. "Tiramisu again?" Her mother laughed. "2 tiramisus in one day. You really know me well." They stayed at the table, talking about happy memories and future dreams. Her father told funny stories, her mother shared moments from her work, and Aga spoke about her hope. The room was full of love and laughter. At the end of the night, Aga leaned on her mother's shoulder. "Did you like today?" she asked. Her mother kissed her forehead. "It was perfect. Not because of the food, but because you thought of me. That is the best gift." Aga smiled. She understood that Mother's Day was not about presents or fancy dinners. It was about love. And she had given her mother exactly that. The family walked home under the stars holding hands. The city lights were bright, but nothing was brighter than their love. What surprise have you prepared for your mom this Mother's Day? Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.